When people think about bankruptcy, they often imagine it as a worst-case scenario, something that permanently changes their life or follows them forever. That's not usually how it plays out. For most people, life after bankruptcy is less stressful and more manageable than the period leading up to it. I'm Doug Hoyes of Hoyes Michaelis. When you file bankruptcy, the pressure eases in very practical ways. Collection calls stop, wage garnishments stop, interest on unsecured debt stops. You know what your payments are, and you know when the process should end. Before bankruptcy, you're under a lot of stress. Which bill is urgent? Which call cannot be ignored? What can be delayed another week? After filing bankruptcy, that constant pressure is gone. Daily life becomes more predictable. You can plan. You can make decisions without everything feeling urgent. Now, let's talk about something people worry about a lot. Who will know I filed for bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is reported to Equifax and TransUnion, so if you apply for credit and the lender checks your credit report, they will know you filed for bankruptcy. CRA is notified of all bankruptcy filings. But unless your wages are being garnished, we generally don't contact your employer. Friends and neighbors do not know unless you tell them. Bankruptcy may feel very public when you're considering it, but in practice, it is mostly something that happens quietly in the background. Credit scores and resuming regular credit usage are also common concerns, but once you're discharged and your income and expenses are stable, you can begin rebuilding. A first bankruptcy stays on your credit report for 6 years after discharge. That's the rule, but that does not mean life is on hold for 6 years. You can start slowly rebuilding, which is why we offer a free credit rebuilding course to help you rebuild credit effectively. Over time, consistent and on-time payments start to matter more than the bankruptcy itself. Credit scores improve, options expand, and bigger milestones can be achieved, such as financing a car, building savings, and having a mortgage. Another thing people often underestimate is how life feels emotionally after bankruptcy. For many people, there is a huge relief. Not because the situation was easy, but because the uncertainty is gone. It allows you to focus on family, work, and long-term planning. Bankruptcy doesn't fix every problem, but it creates space to fix the ones that matter. So, what is life like after bankruptcy? For most people, it's more structured, more predictable, and far less stressful than they expected. It's not an ending, it's a reset. And what comes next depends far more on what you do after bankruptcy than on the bankruptcy itself. If you want a clearer picture of what to expect after discharge, including credit, borrowing, and practical next steps, there are resources that walk you through those details in the links below.